I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a zombie egg in Minecraft. It's important to know that you cannot craft a zombie spawn egg in regular survival mode. Instead, these special items are found within the creative inventory, offering a quick way to summon creatures. Alternatively, for those playing with cheats enabled, there are simple commands you can use to add them directly to your inventory. Let's dive into how you can get your hands on these useful eggs. To get a zombie spawn egg in creative mode, first ensure your game mode is set to creative. Once there, simply open your inventory, usually by pressing the E key. You'll find a vast selection of items. Look for the Combat tab or use the search bar to quickly find zombie spawn egg. Drag it to your hotbar, and you're ready to place as many zombies as you need, instantly spawning them with a right-click. If you prefer using commands, first make sure cheats are enabled in your world settings. Then, open your chat window, typically by pressing the T key. Type the command, /give_it_p Minecraft, zombie_spawn_egg1. This command will instantly place one zombie spawn egg directly into your inventory. You can change the number 1 to any amount you desire, up to 64, to get multiple eggs at once. Once you have your zombie spawn egg, using it is straightforward. Simply hold the egg in your hand and right-click on any block in your Minecraft world. A zombie will instantly appear at that exact spot. You can use these eggs for various purposes, such as populating mob farms, testing out new combat strategies, or adding dynamic elements to your creative builds. They offer a quick and efficient way to introduce zombies into your environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.